Tired of pasta that's either a soggy mess or a chewy disaster? Time to get scientific. Alright pasta lovers, let's dive into the science of cooking perfect pasta. First, always use a big pot with plenty of water. Why? Because pasta needs room to swim and cook evenly. Add salt, like the sea. This boosts the flavor and helps the pasta hold its shape. When the water's at a rolling boil, in goes the pasta. Here's the trick, stir it right away. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. Set your timer to the package's lower time limit. Want al dente? That means to the tooth. A little firm when bitten. Drain but don't rinse. Rinsing washes away the starch that helps sauce stick. Toss immediately with your favorite sauce and voila! Perfect pasta every time. So next time you're cooking pasta, remember, big pot, salty water, stir and don't rinse. Simple science, delicious results.